Alright, we're out here at Homebush Bay, and let me tell you, it is the mother of hot days out here. We've got a hot weekend coming up. It's, well, we got to 41, maybe 42 out here. Back at home was about 40. We got Sneakies Kitchen. They got to put on a bit of a show and shine. So yeah, being early, we only got a few cars here right now, but honestly, I don't really know how many people are going to turn up because of the hot weather. Got a few people here right now. Going to take you around and just go from there.
After the first half an hour, it will start going red. See, look, the guys aren't hanging out.
The fully sick DJ. So we're looking for Noah or any Islander. In the meantime, who's the Lebo that's going to like, or an Arab or Turk that's going to enter? Anybody want to enter? It's up to you. We'll pick someone out. If not, what do you think?
I think, well, we're going to have to pick someone out. I know.
Who is it? Two contestants. We need. Oh yeah, there's the Islander there. There he is. The guy with the red hat. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got the Islander right here. There he is. Come here. There he is, ladies and gentlemen. Where's he going? Hey, it's this way. It's the wrong way. He must not be hungry, which is unusual for. Come over, come on, quickly.
Come.
Well, bring one of your cousins over. What's wrong with you? He doesn't have any cousins here. All right, you know what? We've now switched the Islander versus Lebo to any two contestants that want to come up. You don't have to have any sort of background. What about that guy there?
Contestant!
What's your background? What is your background?
Turkish.
He's Turkish. All right, who's going to take the Turkish lion on? This guy hasn't eaten for 5 days. He just got out of lockdown.
Come on.
We got Turkey representing like someone else. It's up to you. Like we got someone else. Yes, you sir, come up. What's your background? What is it? Pakistani, of course. He's from Pakistan. He wants a free feed. We got Pakistan versus Turkey. This is it. This guy, he's just, I think he's the Uber driver. I'm not sure. He just popped in here. He's an Uber driver. He now wants a free feed. I'm not sure what's going on. But don't start soon. So Baz, a few more words. If you want to say a few more words before we start this competition.
All right. So, the rules of the contest. The rules of the contest is first one to finish, right? Pretty simple. Okay, we got that covered. All right, ladies and gents, I would like to take this opportunity to apologise to absolutely nobody. No.
What's the Turkish guy's name? Yaqub. Good name. And the Pakistan guy's name? What is it? Faizan. Okay, good. I'm glad you didn't say Shane or some bullshit name. Sometimes I do that. Just Shane. What? You're Shane. Relax. I'm not immigration. Anyway, it's hello. Hey, Firaz is here. Come up here, Firaz. Hey. I need you to judge. Come up, Firaz. Come up. Oh yeah, don't worry. You judge. You judge. Ladies and gentlemen, we've got Firaz Durrani judging. Give him a round of applause. Come on, he's here. Firaz, he's a legend. Sick. He's going to judge. So the rules are, you're going to get it. You can see it's the size of 4 burgers. There's 2 pizzas there. It's a burger, pizza. It's massive. And I got a feeling, I don't know, I want the Turkish guy to win because of my background. I really do. But I've got a feeling this Pakistani guy, he looks starving. He looks really hungry to me. So I don't think he's going to say, On three, we'll start and we'll come back, right? And then first one to finish, right? Let's get them now, ladies and gentlemen. 3, 2, 1, start! Here we go, ladies and gentlemen, here they are. But this is the pizza burger eating competition of Sneakies. This item is famous here at Sneakies. It's massive, and if you actually eat one, you can go on the board. The Pakistani guy is on the second quarter. He's on his second burger. The Turkish guy's struggling with his first, but it doesn't matter. This guy, Pakistani guy, could collapse at any minute. And the Pakistani guy is finishing his second one, but he's shaking. And he's got furrows in his ear as well. That's not helping. Here's the Steven Seagal with the headgear. Look at this. The Lebanese Aussie with a ponytail. Then what's your name?
Charlie.
Charlie. Bullshit. All right, Charlie. So all I need is this. You need to say the line for the T-shirt, for the Oh My God Fully Sick T-shirt, which you can't buy anywhere. It's from our shop, like from the fat pieces. Like all you gotta say is, "Oh my God, my car is fully sick." Unfortunately, I've got some bad news for all the Turkish supporters. He's not even halfway through.
Look at the size of his head!
Lan ne yapıyorsun lan? Utandırıyor musun lan?
Pick up the pace!
I just said he's embarrassing us in Turkish, all the Turkish people know. He's shaming us. The guy from Pakistan who hasn't eaten for 5 days leading up. He's doing it for Pakistan, he's doing it for all the Uber drivers, he's doing it for... He's got 1 quarter left, but he's sweating up. He could just collapse, I'm not sure, so hang in there, Turkey, hang in there, because you never know how this is going to end.
Cuz, look at the size of your head and look at the size of the pizza burger. It's the same thing. Just smash it. Yalla, show us what you got, Ahmed.
Turkish guy, listen, the body has many entries. Just shove it anywhere. Shove it anywhere, brother. What's wrong with you? You're gonna win. Do it for Auburn. He's standing up. Sit down. What's wrong with you? Don't gloat. He's standing up for some reason. Or maybe he just ripped a fart. I'm not sure. He ripped a massive burger pizza fart and he sat back down. All right, all right, ladies and gentlemen, we got the Australian Steven Seagal, Charlie. He's contestant #1. He should kill this. Oh my God, my car's fully sick.
Oh my God, my car's fully sick.
Oh, not bad. Like, where'd you get that from? It's 100 litres. It's worth nothing. Oh, you're number plate, cousin. Ladies and gentlemen, can you vote for the winner over here? Only clap and cheer for the person who should win. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for the first contestant, Ahmed. Fuck, not even your cousins clapped. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for the Steven Seagal, Australian second, Charlie. Ahmed, piss off. I've only got 1 prize, sorry. Sorry man, thanks for playing. Fila, I like Fila. Finally I left Adidas.
Let's go, Ahmed.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Malik. Malik, sorry man, piss off. 1 prize winner, that's it. Ladies and gentlemen, it's the Australian guy, Charlie. He's pulled it out of the bag. The Steven Seagal hairstyle. He was the Oh My God Fully Sick T-shirt. Give it up for him. Come on, give it up for him. Thank you for the Fully Sick DJ. Oh, you got to look at the camera. Act natural.
Act natural.
All right, now piss off.
Yalla, pick up the pace. Don't slow down now. Shane. Come on, Shane. You're almost home. No, Shane. Mind over matter, Habib. You look like a mathematician. Come on.
Actually, what do you do for work? Settling. Fantastic. No wonder he's got plenty of food. This guy's on JobKeeper. Oh, come to think of it, I'm on JobKeeper. I love JobKeeper. Yeah, hooray for JobKeeper, for the arts industry. Hey, the Pakistani, what do you do for work? If you tell me taxi driver, I'm going to go home.
Right, let's talk.
You work at Kmart? Sick, I love that. Kmart versus the Turkish settling guy. This is amazing. This is amazing. Look at this. He's got the, he works at Kmart. He's doing this for the Black Friday Kmart special. The sale. He's got like, he's basically got 3 bites left. 3 mouthfuls. But he can't do it. He's full. There's a whole pizza burger in his stomach. Who knows where it's going to go?
Almost there, cuz. You're almost there.
Almost there. He's got the trophy happening very, very shortly. Wait, hold on, don't go, wait. Don't give up. Are you giving up? Don't give up. You're nearly there.
You're almost there, cuz.
Don't give up.
Just keep going.
How can you give up?
You can't quit.
This is the problem with Pakistan. They give up right at the end. Don't go.
He might vomit. He might vomit. Have a breather.
Have a breather. Sit down, have a breather. Oh. Kids, get out of the way, sit down. Get out of the way, kids. Oh!
There goes 100.
Okay. Did you film it? Did you film it? Don't worry, ladies and gentlemen, the plants love that sort of shit. The plants, you okay, brother? No, sit down. Oh, shit! How can that be? More came out than went in. I don't understand this. Alright, bring the second burger out. He's finished the first one, bring the second one out, please, that's it. How did... Hang on, wait. We've got to feed... This is, are you sitting there, sitting down, getting back into it? He's back!
Oh my God!
He's back! Now put the dog music on. Cheer him on! Next year, ladies and gentlemen, come back next year because this little plant will be a tree. It'll be a tree next year after that. Oh my God, the cops are here. Wave everybody, the cops are here. Hello. We're just having fun. Oh my God. Alright, anybody want the other pizza burger over here from thing? Come and help yourself if you want. Taste it, it's magnificent. Come and try it, ladies and gentlemen. Come up here. Thank you for giving the plants some nutrients, we appreciate it. But come up here, mate, come up here for the official presentation. This is it. Come up here, man. He was an absolute legend. His name was Faizan. He did it. He finished the whole burger in about 15 minutes, which is the normal time. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for Faizan. He gets a trophy. Put the trophy up. Be proud. But you know what, ladies and gentlemen, you know what? He doesn't give a shit about the trophy. He's from Pakistan. Give him the cash. Many more winners. So come with your friends to Sneakies. Ha ha ha.